Hey guys, what is up? Mike here from Brick Brothers Productions, and today we are going to be destroying Kashyyyk. And so I know a lot of you guys have been waiting a long time for this, but it's finally happening. And I hope you liked the little thing at the beginning of the video. But yeah, I'm going to be destroying the tree and the mountain today. I already have been doing some work on Kashyyyk. I'm taking it apart a bit, but yeah, guys. I'm just going to show you some of the progress I've done already and kind of my setup, and then we'll just get right into the destruction. So let's get to it, guys. And as you can see, I have already started to take apart most of Kashyyyk with the sand, the leaves off the tree, the leaves off the mountain, and then a lot of the water, and I'll be removing some of that later, more of that later in the video. I'm also using two cameras to record this, one in slow motion and one just regular video to get some extra shots. But yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's get right into this destruction. So I sure do hope you guys enjoyed that video. Took me a while to make it, so if you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like and comment down below what part was your favorite, if you like the destruction of the mountain or of the tree better. And subscribe if you really enjoy it and you are new. But yeah, guys, just hope you guys did enjoy this video. As you know, Kashyyyk is my biggest one I've ever done, and it took me a long time to build it, so it was kind of a big thing to destroy it, so yeah, but I'm just gonna have to get the sorting now, so yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!